Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about how small businesses can use Google Ads to scale their revenue and achieve their business goals. First of all, the myth. Google Ads is only for big businesses. Many small businesses believe that Google Ads is only for large corporations with massive marketing budgets. However, this is simply not true. Google Ads is a powerful tool that can be used by businesses of all sizes, including the small businesses. The next is why Google Ads is great for small businesses. There are many reasons why Google Ads is a great option for small businesses. Here are just a few. First is the targeted ads. Google Ads allows you to target your ads to a very specific audience, which means that you are only paying to show your ads to people who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Second is the measurable results. With Google Ads, you can track the results of your campaigns and see exactly how much revenue you are generating from your ads. The next is the flexible budgeting. You can set your own budget for your Google Ads campaign, so you can start small and then scale up as your business grows. The next is, do Google Ads really work for small businesses? Yes, it does. We have worked with many small businesses who have achieved great results with Google Ads. Here are just a few examples. The case study 1, we were able to get the leads of 50 by just spending $500 for a small laundry business using the Google Ads. So in the second case study, we have generated the ROAS from 0 to 6 in just 1 month for a grocery store selling energy drinks or soft drinks online. In the third case study, we have generated almost 70 leads for this construction company at the CPA of almost $70 using the Google Ads. We have already created case studies for these niche. You can find the link in the description box below. Small businesses are increasingly turning to Google Ads to reach new customers and grow their businesses. According to a recent study, 92% of the small businesses that use Google Ads say it has been effective for their business. Here are some additional stats that highlight the impact of Google Ads on small businesses. 86% of the small businesses say Google Ads has really helped them increase their website traffic. 75% of the small businesses says Google Ads has helped them to get new leads. 61% of the small businesses say Google Ads has really helped them increase their sales. These stats show that Google Ads can be a valuable tool for small businesses of all sizes. If you are not already using the Google Ads, I encourage you to give it a try. You may be surprised at how much it can help your small business grow. If you are a small business, you might be thinking how much a budget you can start with. As a small business venturing into Google Ads, you might be wondering how much budget to allocate. The ideal budget depends on your specific niche and the competition within that specific niche. For instance, if you are in a high ticket industry, you will likely face more competition at high CPC and thus requiring a higher budget. Determine your starting budget considering the average CPC for your niche. For the average CPC that is under $1, a budget of $500 per month can be sufficient to get 500 clicks. That will be providing enough data to evaluate the effectiveness of your campaigns. Here is a valuable. Google Ads offers promotional credit to new ads. By spending $500 on Google Ads, you could potentially qualify for an additional $500 in ad credits for free. This means you could essentially double your advertising reach for the same initial investment. Remember, your Google Ads budget is flexible and can be adjusted as your campaigns progress. Start with a manageable amount. Monitor your results and gradually scale up your investment as your campaigns gain traction and generate positive returns. The next is, how about the results? The effectiveness of Google campaign varies across different niches. Drawing from our previous experience with the small business account, the average conversion rate typically falls around 10%. This implies that out of every 500 clicks that you get, you can anticipate around 50 leads. Consider a scenario where your average ticket size is around $300. Imagine converting even 20 of those leads, which means generate a remarkable revenue of $6,000. This substantial return on investment underscores the immense potential of Google Ads for small businesses. If you harbor any doubts about venturing into Google Ads, don't hesitate to reach us through our WhatsApp or from our website. We will be delighted to guide you through the process and assist you in unlocking the growth potential of Google Ads for your small business. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.